Hello, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to make your HP ELITEBOOK 855 faster. So, first open the battery settings by clicking the right bottom panel, then battery, and now power mode, select the best performance. Now energy saver, disable the energy saver. Then close it and right click on this very bottom gray panel and task manager. Then startup apps and just disable the startup apps that you're not using. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.